You join me today with a unboxing video of the Microsoft Surface Book. I'm just going to get the lid off for you here so you can have a quick look inside. Nice heavy lid even. Inside you've got the actual Surface Book itself, which is a little bit awkward to get out, but there it is. And all its plastic. And then inside we got the charging block, and here is a little booklet which I'll just show you in a sec. So as you can see, here's the actual booklet part of it, and in here is going to be the power supply. Which I'll come back to in a second once I got it out of the box. So there's the booklet that came with it, the power supply, just a bog standard power supply, and here the actual Surface itself. It's got this nice material stuff here to protect the screen. I'm not going to actually turn it on for you, but I'll just quickly show you around it. So there's a couple of USB ports, an SD card slot, that side, power, and another connector there. As you can see, it's on a nice hinge effect. Lovely little bit of kit here, but we're not going to turn it on just yet. Just giving you a quick show of it. Very premium quality, but then you'd expect that for £3 grand. Well, that was just a little quick video of unboxing the Surface Book. Thanks for watching.